हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल मैजिक गिफ्ट लैब। Valentine's gift for husband under 200. First, couples memory and activity book. Second, romantic couple statue. Third, keychain. Fourth, red rose with teddy. Fifth, love couple wall hanging decor. Sixth, greeting card. Seventh, sunglasses. Eighth, wallet. Ninth, couple ring. 10th, bracelet. 11th, perfume. 12th, coffee mug. 13th, love agreement certificate. 14th, cushion pillow. 15th, chocolate. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you.